I've never had anything like this. Maybe
Oh
put it in the middle.
my god. There's no way.
Oh my god.
We made it.
I'm in heaven right now. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. This one's a special one. I'm back with my friend Dafne, Chef to the Stars.
Nice.
We're on the streets of Inglewood today, in the neighborhoods, and we're gonna go after this underground seafood restaurant that I've heard whispers of in somebody's backyard. A lot of faith Dafne has in me. Just say, hey, I wanna go to this hidden restaurant in Inglewood. You down? She's like, yeah, let me grab my board.
Just in case.
And I'm in. So if we're successful, we're gonna find 106 Seafood Underground for lunch. We're right by the airport. Oh, I think this is it. 4302. This could be a completely different episode. Hopefully this is a food episode.
I'm a little scared, guys. My mom's gonna be pissed. Mom, I'm really sorry. Sorry that I'm doing this. No, but seriously, my mom would be pissed.
I think we made it.
Hi.
Hi. 3 of us.
Yeah.
Yes, it is gonna be a food episode.
We're safe, guys. We're safe.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien.
Ay, qué rico huele. Y aquí vive usted, ¿verdad?
¿Aquí?
Aquí duerme también, wow. So, se levanta y a cocinar.
Tengo 33 años viviendo.
Wow.
¿Y toda la familia trabajan también?
Todo en esto.
Okay, backstory. Welcome, this is Chef Sergio. He's been here for 5 years, cooking in the back of his house, and you would not think this place is here. This is truly a hidden paradise here in Inglewood, in the streets of Inglewood. And you come back and you have this immaculate kitchen, and Chef Sergio cooking up all of these incredible Sinaloan inspired Mexican seafood dishes. We have all different plates and we're gonna try a bunch of them, but first, get a closer look of this man at work.
¿Qué tipo de comida usa? Esa salsita en la mantequilla, revuelve.
Cheers.
Cheers. Salud.
Salud, salud.
This is what cooking's about. This is why we do what we do.
This is crazy. We got front row seats to the greatest show on earth.
Yeah.
Sergio in his element, cooking up some fresh seafood for us, some Mexican beers on the back streets of Inglewood with the planes flying overhead, the Mexican music in the background.
You're in Mexico.
This feels like otro mundo.
Otro mundo, cabrón.
He's happy. The food's gonna be
This
happy.
is great. All right, we have sat down. I haven't stopped smiling since we got here.
Yeah,
same for
same.
Daphne. First off, we got tacos de marlin, and then we have this ceviche with octopus, shrimp, and tuna. And then this is camarones borrachos. So we got tequila, a lot of butter, and a lot of garlic, and we're just gonna eat. You gotta eat
I
that.
gotta try the hat. I can't even talk. My mouth is watering. You can taste the tequila right away.
It's almost herbaceous, and the head, all those beautiful juices, nice chilies in there. Oh my
Wow.
god. Guys, don't sleep on the heads. As a chef will tell you, this is where all the flavor's at. And these big, beautiful prawns, straight from Mexico themselves, with these massive chunks of garlic, cooked absolutely to perfection.
This is a gem, guys. Wow. We're in someone's backyard right now.
It feels like we're in a parallel universe.
This is authentic food right here.
We made
Cheers.
it. We made it.
I'm in heaven right now. Thank you.
Cómete los tacos.
Oh, the tacos. Chef wants to see the tacos. Salud. Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Bien bueno.
I've never tried anything like this. That's crazy. It's like such unique flavors. Oh
It's
my god.
Like earthy.
Yeah. There's cheese in it, the marlin, there's avocado in it. It's so well balanced. It's crunchy, it's soft. The flavors are intense. Like I've never tried a fish like this.
Wow, and then you add that mango habanero with it, and it adds a fruitiness and a spice. mixed together in this perfect balance.
It's like Mexico in a bite.
But you're right, the marlin.
Yeah.
It must be the cheese bringing out some of that funk in the best possible
Yeah,
way.
not in a fishy way at all. It's almost like it has an umami flavor. Like it's like the ocean's umami is what I'm tasting right now. I've never had anything like it. Wow.
That just blew my mind.
Wow, we haven't even gotten to the ceviche. No.
Tuna, shrimp, peppers,
Octopus.
cucumbers, octopus.
Let's not forget the tahini on top.
Light.
It's so light.
What a great balance with the heavy cream of the butter and the sauce
Yeah.
and the tequila. We're here in March. He said Sergio said in the summertime it is just packed with people, and understandably so. Ceviche, beers, backyard.
Good vibes.
Man,
People traveling all over the world above us.
they're missing it. Where do they think they're going?
Not here. Wow, now we gotta try these
Now we're getting
bad
out of
boys.
control.
Langostinos
¿Es salsa?
con salsa.
Una salsa especial, mire.
Ah, okay.
chef's-
Entonces, langostina y ya.
Ya.
So Sergio just says, you got shrimp. That's all you need to worry about. And these aren't just any shrimp. These are monster prawns
Wow.
here.
Use the little head to scoop in the sauce, you know.
Guys, no judgment when you're in the backyard.
Oh my god. Oh, it's like my dream come true. It's butter, it's lemon, it's hot sauce, the flavor of the head. Oh my god, it's literally an ocean in someone's backyard. Here in Inglewood.
Oh,
Inglewood? Oh my god, qué
Really?
delicioso.
riquísimo.
Las cabezas?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it was massive chunks of prawns.
He was telling me you don't really need to put a lot in food to make it delicious. You gotta be happy. Obviously he is. 2, you gotta have good ingredients.
Check.
We have. The vibes gotta be good. And then you're gonna create something that is delicious, and that's what we have here.
Oh, butter, I think, also.
Oh yeah, let's not forget butter.
Butter and tequila
Butter
is also
and
a close
lemon.
second to vibes.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Here the sandiado for you
All
guys.
right, let me clear that.
Yeah. And you put it in the middle.
Oh my god. There's no way you're gonna eat all this.
Here you go. Oh my god, that's perfectly cooked.
Sergio tells us
We
you
got
gotta
another
make a
one now.
taco out of this. So you grab these fresh tortillas here. You grab as much of this beautiful fish as you can. Snook. Sergio
warm.
is also known as the Snook Whisperer. This is his signature dish.
Wow.
Then you grab these incredible caramelized
Cebollitas?
Cebollitas.
onions in here, and you just straight up. We put a
Wow.
little lemon on it.
Mmm. Wow. That's delicious. Mmm. Perfectly cooked, chef.
Thank you, mija.
Y está grande también este
Oh,
pescado.
no, está chiquito.
No, sí, de verdad.
Sí, uno
Sí.
Wow, nunca los ha mirado.
No, realmente, Sergio, ese lugar, comida, usted es increíble.
El vibe.
Gracias,
Yeah.
gracias, señor.
Thank you, chef.
Wow. I hate to say it, but you gotta come here.
Yeah.
Just save us space. If you come here and it's completely full, and you came to this restaurant because of us, when we show up, just make sure we have a place at your table. Is that fair?
Save us some prawns, okay?
Save us some prawns. Come say hello to Sergio.
Come give him some love because obviously he's putting love out here. This is cooking from the heart right here.
This is love. That's it. We're gonna eat this entire table of food, hang out, maybe have a couple more modelos, and just relax. This is such a paradise away from the hustle and bustle of Los Angeles.
Yeah.
You don't feel traffic, you don't feel chaos, you don't feel anything.
There's no crackheads.
There's
I
no.
love-
Wow, that's
There
it.
you
I hope
go.
you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I hope you guys like this different style where we just feature one incredible restaurant. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you go check out Dafne. She's gonna do a lot more food content. Make sure you check her out.
Thanks, guys.
In the meantime, see you in the next one.
Wow. Yeah, this is incredible. Sergio, bien delicioso. Wow.
Bien hecho. You wanna eat some fish, buddy?
Oh my god.
Okay.
¿Quieres morder uno?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna shit my pants, guys.
Era uno.
Uno chiquito.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Gigante?
It's like,
Paprika?
oh, it's coming in.
Yeah.
It's spicy. All right, guys.
Oh my
This is the best part too. Let's not sleep on the head. Oh,
Oh, just went for it.
yeah, that's how you do it. That's how a real Hispanic does
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Not expecting that.
I'm very, very happy.
I love my life. Oh man.